Coming with me to the Dollar General, and I'm in the clothing aisle, guys. Let's take a look, see what kinds of stuff they have here. Okay, so these seems to be the kids stuff here, but these outfits here with the unicorn, these are $3.50. These shorts right here for little ones, they're $5. Then you have some baby items over here, and these are like $5. Look at this lady, look how cute that is. So then they have some of these, and the shorts and the t-shirts, guys, those are $5. Then look, they even have these pretty dresses, the sundresses, and the bathing suits, guys. Look at that. The pretty dresses. So those are all like $5. So that if we move over to the adult stuff over here, guys, let me see, because I didn't even know that Dollar General sold stuff like this. So these t-shirts here, and this has a big selection in this aisle here, because I'm at a different Dollar General, I'm sorry. So this t-shirt here is $10. And then this blouse here, guys, look how pretty that is. It has that backing. This blouse here is $10. So let's see. So if you look at this sweater, this is a sweater, guys. All right, so the pants, the sweatpants, they look to be like $12.50, guys. I can't pull them out because they're all like tight together. Look at this outfit. Well, this is not an outfit. This is like a throw. You throw it over your, your bathing suit. And they have this kind of button top. I'm kind of liking that. And that is $10, guys. That's not bad. And then these plain white t-shirts, and they're pretty long. They're 1X. They're $6. So they have these tank tops, and they come with the shorts, and these are $15. So let me see. So they have these lounge pants, pajamas. These guys I think are $12.50. Yeah, they're $12.50. So you have some shorts along the bottom here, guys. Let's see. Let's see. These. Okay, so these shorts right here. Let me see how much they are. So these are $7. That's not bad. Then they have like these pants right here. They look so comfy. So those are $12.50. And these tank tops right here, I like the back of them. These are $8. Let me show you the back. See how the back goes? Those are $12. Then they have these blouses right here. Oh, these are house dresses, I think. Oversized, $10. Then they have that blouse right there, guys. Or is that a dress? I can't tell. I think it's like a short dress. That's $12.50. Then they have these sweaters right here. They're kind of long in the back and short in the front. Those are $10. Isn't that pretty, guys? It's not summery, though. Okay, then they have the regular black t-shirts right here. Those are $5. Those are kind of nice, though. You wear them with leggings. Okay. Then they have this blouse right here. That's $10. Okay, and then they have this type right here. And that's $10. So I'm just showing you randomly, guys, because there's a lot of clothes on these racks. But if you go through them, some of them are like, this is the plain white t-shirt right here. And you can't move them either. But there's the white plain t-shirt, that's $6. And then you have some tank tops I'm trying to show you. Let me see. And I don't see, do I see a tag for that? Those are $12.50. Then they have this dress here. You see that, guys? This dress. It looks comfy, $6. And then they even have some bathing suits, tops and bottoms. Those are $15. And then they have these, $15. So, guys, and then along the bottom, they have these leggings with this design here on the bottom. And those are, I don't know how much these are. Let's see. Those are $10. Then you have these floral ones, and those are $10. Then these over here that say Love Nation. Those are $12.50, guys. And then these are the stretchies that look like denim jeans. These are $12.50. So these leggings right here, guys, those leggings are $12.50. Then they have this kind. So now these are shorts, but I'm not sure if these are adult shorts. But anyway, these stretchies right here, look at them. These are $12.50. So the leggings seem to be $12.50. The blouses seem to be $6 all the way to $10. These are shorts, so let's see. So the shorts are like $8. And then the women's shorts and the men's shorts are all mixed in. So right here, these shorts, I think these are guys' shorts. And I think those run $8. These right here are swimsuits, guys. They come in the black. See the black? I don't think these are swimsuits. These are regular shorts. But these are swimsuits. And these are $12.50. And they come in this color, the blue on blue, and the blue, blue, and red. Then they have these like lounge shorts. These are all men's. And even the sweatpants shorts, guys. Let's see. Those are $10. And then here you have this kind and you have this kind. Then up here you have the t-shirts, guys. So you have these t-shirts, with the cutoff sleeve, those are $5. And they come in this blue and they come in this black. And I have that kind and $8 for this kind. I like that one. So the plain gray is $6. Okay, and then you have this kind right here, guys. So these are $10. Isn't that pretty? Then you have these t-shirts right here. Those are $8. Let me see these gray ones right here. Those are $6. That's not really bad. And then they have those nursing scrubbies. Those are $10 each, and they come in these kind right here. The flip-flops. Look how adorable this is. Look at this. That's $5. And then they have this rainbow one that reminds me of a unicorn. And then look at these, guys. Aren't these adorable? These are $7. Then these right here, they look like Crocs. Those are $5. Faux Croc. And then they have these unicorn ones right here for $5. How adorable is that? Then they have the camo for $5. And then they have the toddler shoes here for $5. So the toddler shoes and the slip-ons, those are all $5 to $7. Then over here, the slightly bigger sizes, those are around $7. And then they have these slides right here. How much are the slides? $5 for these slides right here, guys. Then the flip-flops are $1. They're calling them lady flip-flops, but they're all black. Those are $5, guys, these. And then these flip-flops are $5. And then they are in gray. In gray. And on the top, you have the $8 slip-on sneakers. And you have some socks over there. The pack of, how many come in the pack? It's a 10-pack, guys. This 10-pack is $5. And then here, look at that Paw Patrol 5-pack for $3. Wow, that's pretty cheap. You know, that's pretty cheap, guys. I'm shocked. So this is a 10-pack for $5. Isn't that adorable? I think those are a great price. And then you have the sleeve pants over here for $10. And here are the socks. And then you have the flashlight. You have the keychain, the lanyard, the tumblers, the t-shirts. T-shirts are $8. The tumblers are $9. Isn't that something? The t-shirts are $8. The tumblers cost more than the t-shirts. Then you have the regular t-shirts down there, and they range $10 to $12.50. Then over here you have the lady bags. Look at these. They have the little pom-pom. Look at that. They have the pineapple. That's so cute. I like those. So let me see. This pineapple one right here is, I don't see a price on it, guys. And here, look at these. It says Hello Summer, so these totes are $5. These totes here are $5, but this one here is adorable, and I'm loving these too. So then you have these. Let me see. So those are $12.50, guys. So then you come into the regular t-shirts here, the Hanes, and those t-shirts are $5.50 with the pocket. And then you have these sleep knit pants, those are $10, and you have a 3-pack of bandanas for $3. Then you have the baseball caps here, like this one says Ford, and those are $8. Beaver Hunter, $8, the chevron. And then they have these. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar General just to check out the little clothing area over here. And I will see you guys in another video.